And we learned that equal means same. So we have two expressions on either side of the equal sign. So we will see how to make them equal. So here we say that 11 minus 11 and here we say 10 minus something. See, we have 11 here and if you take away 11 from that, that means we take away all of it. So how much do you have now? I took away 11 from 11. 0. So what should we put here to make this 0? I have 10. So what should I do to make it 0? Take away 10. Okay. How much did you take away? 1, 0. So 11 minus 11 is the same as 10 minus 10. Shriram, we have one more expression. See, 15 plus 16 is 16 plus what? Remember that they should both be the same. That's why we have the equal sign there. 16 plus 1, 5. 15. See, look at this. 15 plus 16 is 16 plus 15. We have now one more expression. See, 7 plus 7 is 8 plus something. So Sriram, we don't always have to calculate both sides to find how they're equal. See, what can you do here? Look at the expression again. 7 plus 7, 8 plus something. So what do you do here? You make one of it. You make one of it 8. How do you do that? Can you make one of them 8? Yeah. Now you have to make it 8. You've made it 9. See, this is 9. You have to make it 8. So what do you do? Okay. So now you have 8 plus this is 6. Okay. So I am going to write here 8 plus 6. 7 plus 7 is 8 plus 6. Did you notice how you didn't calculate it? You just had to move the block from here to there and you got the answer. See, we are looking at one more example. These are slightly bigger numbers. There is 14 plus 22 here, something plus 32. So you don't have to add them. Okay. So you have to make one of this 32. What will you do? How will you make it 32? Okay. You take that 10 and move it there. Okay. So what do you have now? Something plus 32. You have, how much do you have here? 4. 4 plus 32. See, now we are talking about subtraction, okay? This works slightly differently from the addition. So when you do 33 minus 3 and the other side you have something minus 2. So first let us make one of it 2. Okay, whatever you are subtracting, let us make it 2. You removed 1 from this. So you will also remove 1 from the same quantity from that one. So you have x minus 2. What is this x, Sriram? What is that something? What is this one? This one. Tens and ones. How many? There are tens and ones. How many tens? 3. Ones are 2. So that is 32, right? So you have 32 minus 3 is 30 if you want to check. And 33 minus 3 is 30. And 32 minus 2 is also 30. So they are equal. See, now we have something minus 7 is 29 minus 6. You don't have to calculate this again. See, you have increased this by 1. Here we have 6, here we have 7. So we should also increase this by 1. Right? What do we do now, Sriram? Here we have 6, there we have 7. So you make this 7 first. So because you made this 7, you will also add the same quantity there. You have made this. You added 1 here. You added 1 here and here. So what will you get there? What is this, Sriram? 20. There was 20, 29 and you added 1 to it. So you made it 3, 0, 13. Now this becomes 30 minus 7. 30 minus 7 is the same as 29 minus 6. See, you have 33 minus 5 is 34 minus what? So Sriram, what did we learn from the last subtraction? When you add something to this number, you should also add the same thing, same quantity to that number to maintain the gap between both of them. So here 34 is how much more than 33? 34 is greater than 33 by 1. So what will you do now? You will add something to 33 to make it 34. You will make it 34, right? You added 1. So you have to add 1 to 5 also to make it. Add 1 to 5. So I am adding 1 to 5. Okay. So that becomes 34 minus 6. Right? 34 minus 6. Now we can say 33 minus 5 same as 34 minus 6. These numbers are 1 more than these numbers.